about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do.
Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Lebanese lentil soup. Now this soup is definitely well known for being at the dinner table during Ramadan, but it's great any time of the year. It's very easy to make, only requires a few ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So to start, I'm going to saute some onions in a pan with some olive oil. Now, I only saute them till they're translucent and have just a little bit of color on them. Our red lentils we're going to boil twice, and I do this because the first boil is more so to get rid of dirt and the excess starch in the lentils, and the second boil will be the final boil. So then I pour the lentils back in the pot, pour in some water, get our onions into the party, and then I just throw a carrot in there and some basmati rice that I pre-soaked. Give that all a stir, let them mingle and do their thing. And then we're gonna add in some seasonings. We have Vegeta seasoning, which adds the saltiness as well as other great flavors. And then I add in some cumin. Give that all a stir. Let it boil, let it cook. And then I take my immersion blender and blend it all up. Alright, and then you just want to top it with some fresh black pepper. Give that a stir, and our lentil soup is officially done. Now some people, I know I was one of them growing up, some people don't like the soup because of its texture. It is a thicker soup, but I encourage you to give it a try. It's a velvety, smooth soup despite it being a little thicker. And if you don't like thick soups, you can always thin this down with some more water added in. Serving wise, I like to serve this with some fried pita. Some people just squeeze lemon on there and then serve it that way. Some people eat it with radish or an onion. Either way, it's delicious, it's easy, hearty, and good for you. Give it a try. I know you'll love it.
I've been reading you to figure what you're down for. I wanna figure out to make it come around. No, we should quit the game and settle things right here, right now. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. I wanna take you from